Hey guys, I'm doing all the HackerRank Java problems on this channel, so you can find a link in the description box to all the problems and their solutions, so please check it out. So today we'll be taking this question. Here we use the integer a, b and n to create the following series. So this is the given series and we will be given three integers a, b and n, and we need to use the value of those integers to print this series. Okay, and the first line contains an integer q denoting the number of queries and I and q subsequently. Okay, so let's take an example. So the first time is the number of inputs that will be given, so 2, that means 2 inputs. The first term is the value of a, and this 2 is the value of b, and 10 is the value of n. So that means a equals 0, b equal 2 and n equal 10. So we have to print the series using the value a is equal 0 and b equal 2, and 10 will be the number of terms that we need to print of the series. So here 10 terms are printed. So let's look at the series that we are given here. So this is the series. So here the first term is a plus 2 to the power 0 dot b. So in the first term the power of 2 is 0. Then the second term is first term plus 2 to the power 1 dot b. So what we are doing is we are increasing the power of 2 by 1 and we are adding that 2 to the power 1 dot b to the previous term. So for the second term we will add 2 to the power 1 dot b to the first term. Then for the third term here we will add the second 2 to the power 2 square dot b to the second term. So here we can see the first term is common in all the queries here, so all the iterations that we need to do. So here first term plus 2 to the power 1 dot b, then second term which also includes the first term. So first term is common in all the terms of the series. So we can use the first term as our sum, so we don't need to make another variable to store our sum. So let's code it and we will able to understand it. So here we have given t as a number of queries, so the loop will run till I is less than t, so that means t times, because I is starting from 0, and we are given a, b and c input, a, b and n input. So let's use our for loop, and since I is already used, so we will use j starting from 0 till j is less than n. Then we will increase the value of j increment, so that the value the power of 2 increases by 1 every time. So what we will do here is that we will not make a separate variable for storing the sum, so we are just going to use the first term. So the first term is a plus b, because 2 to the power 0 is 1, so basically we just need to use the a. So okay, so and also in Java we can use a function called math.pow bracket 2 comma j. So 2 comma j. So what this function mean is power of 2 to the power j. So this is an easy way of finding a power, and then we need to multiply the value of b to this term, and also we need to change the type here, so we will write int. Okay, now we need to print our sum dot print. So here as we can see there is a space between each result or the term, so we need to add that space also. So a is the result here and there is also a space. Okay, and also every queries is printed on a new line, so also we need to change the line here. So we're just going to use system.out.println. So ln will change the line every time the code runs. So let's submit the code and see. So I think it's correct. Yeah, so it's correct. So I hope you I hope you understood the method that I have used. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, and peace.